Yo, what's good, y'all? So today, I will be taking a different approach. We're not playing SDS. We're playing CGS. Y'all don't know this game? This game is one of my favorites of all time. And today, we're going to play hard mode, Wolf only, the starter weapon. Look, I like the album, Wolf by Tyler. It's goated. But the weapon, it's kinda lacking, you know? But whatever. Also, extra rules. No other items. No items. So we can only use this gun. Nothing else. By the way. So yeah, that. And also, y'all, it's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna beat them with no hover. So if I beat them with hover, I must re-beat them with a hover. So here we go. Let's go. 1. Pardon the screen. I haven't changed my settings. Okay, Kazahashi doing. Shut up. I read this before. Basically, his old friend. You only have 5 HP. Oh, hell no. My battery. Yeah, it's really easy. So far, really easy. Wait, I used hover. Hover. No hover. Hover is no scope. I'm so good. Oh my god, no hover. No hover used, by the way. No hover, by the way. No hover, by the way. No money? What? No hover. What the fuck? Is it just not hittable? Okay, no, retry. Easy. Oh my god. Delete the file box. Please. How the fuck do I have this done? I just did. What the fuck is wrong? Hold up. What did I do? Is it unhittable with do I need a hover? Actually no, we don't need a hover. We just need crazy story. Fuck story. Yo, fuck story. God damn. already. Oh, we're only going to reach first class. I am. Oh, we got the room. It's gonna be hard. Oh my god. Hi guys. So what's there? Shit, oh. There's an end in my day. Pay attention. Pay attention. I guess this is the boss. Yep, this is the boss. Watch this, guys. Easy games. If you want now, now's your chance. Shut up, bro. Boom! Metro boom and make it boom! Oh my god, this is so easy. Easy as game. One hit because I was not paying attention. This motherfucker laid, bro. What he doing? He's it's all over. It's all over. It's all over. It's all over, bruh. I guess not. Shut up. Don't talk. Yeah, real. Shigeru said don't talk. Tough. There he goes. He becomes a gem. Lore. Fun fact. This is inspired by the Hunger Games. The Hunger Games. What the hell, bro? The Hunger Games. Oh, shut up. There goes the Glock. Boop, 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 boop. Extra boop. Boop. Those who... Okay, this is actually good lore. Those. Okay, hold up. Let me get my voice. Those who seek gem of time. Gem of time instant. Okay, hold up. Those who seek gem of time are drawn to each other. It too is the will of time. All is bound by its threads. If you wish for your desire to be granted, let me see how far your resolve will take you. Show me thy resolve. Crazy ending. And we clocked that at 10 minutes. Yeah. This stuff. Okay. That's the whole deal. We finished chapter 1, old friend. I don't know this friend. Why should I call him friend if I don't know? Old friend? More like best friend. Anyways, next video we're going to Wanted. Okay, guys, bye. Buh.